Today's video is how to fine-tune your control surfaces. So let's get started. Fine-tuning your control surfaces refers to having the same amount of throw in both directions. In a perfect setup, you will have the same amount of movement both ways. However, sometimes there's variables that cause more throw one direction than the other. And when I'm talking about throw, it's when you're setting up your airplane and you're setting up how far the control surfaces move. You can use a deflection meter, which I have here, or you can use a ruler. So what you do is you go into dual rate and expo. You pick the control surface. I'm going to use elevator. So let's say at full throw at 100% when I do up elevator, I'm getting 50 millimeters. However, when I do down elevator, I'm only getting 30. So what you would do is you would go to your down elevator and go to the rate, and you'll notice that the box actually goes to the right. It's doing that because it's only allowing us to adjust the down elevator. Same way when you go to the up elevator, it's only allowing me to adjust up so the box is on the left. So again, we're going to assume that 20 millimeter difference is 20%. So what we do is we go to our up elevator, we add 20%. Now, even though one's 100 and one's 120, that's the same amount of 50 millimeters of throw both directions. Now let's say it's the opposite. So we've got 50 and 30 and it's supposed to be 30. Instead of adding 20% to the up elevator, what we would do is take away 20% from the up elevator. Now we've got 80 and 100, so the throw is going to be 30%. So it's what you're doing is you're using them separately and going to your ruler or your deflection meter and making sure that you have the same distance both ways. I'm going to do it one more time on a different control surface. Let's set up the rudder. Same way, you 30 and 50, 20% difference. So left is only going to 30, but right's going to 50. So that means we need to add 20% to our left. Again, when you use a certain direction, the box only goes to one value. So we go here, and we add 20%. Now we've got the same movement both ways, even though the percentage is the same. You just use your ruler or your deflection meter, and you stop when you get the same number. Now let's take this back, and again, same way. Let's say we need to take 20% away from the right so that they're both 30. Just back this down. And there you go. So you can do this for each individual control surface, and this allows your plane to have the same response no matter which direction you're moving the sticks. I hope y'all found this video informative or you learned something new today. Go ahead and push the like button. If you want to see future videos, subscribe to the channel while you're here. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one.